So today we're going to be talking about our products that we got. So we're going to be doing a little review on the Five Below items that we got the other day and what we've been using here recently, and just tell you a little bit about them. So
we'll have the video link in the description box below from the haul from whenever it was.
Yeah. I still at this and it was like didn't sound good. Leave the link down below so you can check it out of the Five Below haul. They kind of little haul. Weird. So okay, let's start. We'll start with the resistant band. These things are they're really cool. They feel really good. The texture, you know, nah, but they feel really good. They're nice and stretchy and everything.
Yeah, the quality does feel really good.
Yeah, and they come in the different colors. There's 3 different colors. I don't have my pack with me because
I don't even know where my other one is.
I'm at my sister's house, and they have the size medium, heavy, and light.
Yeah.
And I thought that it worked a little better with putting the medium and the heavy together, and working out with them like that. I can do it.
That's
that
if
way,
you're needing like some extra.
how
what is it? I don't know what I'm looking for.
It just makes it a little harder.
Yeah.
I don't know the word. I don't even know the word for it.
It wasn't enough. It wasn't like strong enough or
Yeah.
whatever. We needed more for our legs. Now my thought on those, they're awesome. Me being a plus size girl and everything. The only thing with these having bigger legs and everything is when I take and put them on, you know, obviously they're supposed to stay like this. Each time I tried multiple times, they end up rolling up like that. And like I said, it's probably because being a plus size girl. So I mean, but for $5, definitely worth it. Wouldn't you say?
Yeah, I would say they're definitely worth it.
1 out of 10. What would you give it?
I'd say an 8, 9. I mean, because they're cheap. You know, they're not gonna be like the best quality, but they're definitely worth $5. So I would say 8, 9 for them.
Yeah, if you don't want to spend an arm and a leg for something, it's worth it. The next one is the Selfie Studio. This, I love it. I have no complaints on it.
Yeah, I love mine too.
I mean, I will say that it's just slightly like wobbly.
Yeah,
very
just
little.
A little.
The little light on it is awesome. It has 3 different settings.
Yes, like the dim, medium, and then a bright light.
But no complaints on this from me.
Yeah,
I really think that
the only thing that I hate that it doesn't do is that you can't. It's, you know, it stands just like that, so it doesn't go like extend higher or anything. So here's what mine looks like. It's the pink one, and I'll try to show the light so it's not.
It's on the bottom, yeah.
So it's got that, and that.
It's really cool.
And they're really worth the money. I would definitely buy this again if this one would break. But the only thing that I don't like is that this little part where the phone sits, it doesn't extend out where you can like tilt it down, like go further, you know, high, and then tilt it down. But that's the only complaint. Not really complaint, but just like what I don't really like.
Yeah, because you really couldn't give it a complaint because it is says for selfie, so.
Yeah. So, but to me, it's definitely worth the money. Definitely worth $5. It's not bad at all.
The little side feels really good too.
Yeah, and this little side, you know, you can bend it wherever you know, adjust it however you want. So, definitely worth the money for those.
All right, 1 out of 10 for that.
I'd say a 10 for that. 9, 10. Here. I mean, yeah, 10 because
I'd go with a 10 for me, anyways.
Yeah, because it is really worth $5. Yeah, for it.
All right.
And the last thing we're gonna show is the dumbbells. I can't make it up. My arms are so sore. Oh, the dumbbells. So the dumbbell is, I'm gonna go on and tell you what I rate it. Is definitely a 10 because it's really worth the money.
There's definitely no complaints on these whatsoever. They feel really awesome. considering, coming from Five Below, being $5, you would, be a little iffy on them.
Yeah, I don't see anything wrong with the quality of it.
Nope.
I mean, it's just,
It is like a little plastic type,
it's just
outer.
plastic. But it's like, I really don't know what to say. I mean, the quality of it is good. I mean, I don't see nothing wrong with it. It's not like a high-end type dumbbell, but it was $5. So definitely worth it. So no complaints there either. Definitely a 10 rating on that.
10 all the way on those.
So yeah, that's all we're gonna be doing.
Yeah, I was gonna say that's all we've tried out so far.
So I guess we could do another review on the other stuff of from Five Below.
Let us know down in the comments below.
Yeah, if you want to see a review on the rest of the stuff that we bought. But yeah, everything that we showed you, I'm really happy with. It's been worth the $5 for it. So yeah,
no complaints.
No complaints at all. So
thanks,
Pablo.
You definitely stepped it up.
Definitely say that. But yeah, give this video a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you're notified when we post a new video. And I guess that's it, guys. So until next time, bye, sisters.